What's happened to you, alright?
Been stabbed.
You've been stabbed? Whereabouts? Don't think you have, mate.
Well, we're here to, because of what's happened to the young lad that got stabbed. Two-tier policing is disgusting in this country. And, well, we're just here to show our respect to the guy that's had his life taken away so early, and everybody else. You know, it always seems to be, and I'm not a racist at all, but it always seems to be two-tier policing in this country. Everybody's, well, we're just sick of it. We've had enough.
What happened to Henry should never have happened.
Henry, that's the one.
I'm sorry, but where's the charge of you're innocent until proven guilty? You know, why was he not taken off in handcuffs? I think the key matter is all lives matter, not just certain. And as a mother who's already lost a son, I don't think that the government or the police have handled the situation at all. Why have we not heard the police officers standing down and being investigated? You know, it seems to be two-tier across the country. It's one rule for them and one rule for us, and it's got to end.